What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So, literally, I'm working 4 out of 5 days. This is my first day off, and I'm going to relax a little bit. I'm not going to have a video for you this weekend. Maybe a shorts here and there. Don't quote me on that. But just keep an eye on my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Monday is when I really start studying for boards, and I'm going to be hiding in a bunker over here. So I'm not going to be going out as much. I'm going to be studying. So I'll be hiding here, and I will be posting very frequent videos. So I'm just being very clear with you that studying, taking study breaks, making posts on X, watching a little bit of college football, going from there, that's kind of my game plan, because I really need to be laser focused on passing boards. There's no guarantee being a travel nurse. I'm going over contracts at the end of the year, and those it's challenging to try to get contracts, new hospitals. So that's one focus that I need right now, is to focus on that, post videos, lay low a little bit, because if the stock market's taking a hit, I'm going to start loading up more. So not going out, I can allocate those resources into my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So next week I'm going to discuss a few things. There's going to be probably some new buys, some changes as well. No sells. There's going to be no sells. There's probably be new buys. Maybe moving some stocks from my E-Trade dividend portfolio to M1 Finance, because those are things I need to focus on. So I'm going to kind of go over that as well. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos, smash that like button. Let's check my dividend stock buys out right now. Youch. Man, I've been taking a hit. And that's, I've been going after the financial sector and real estate sector, and it's just bleeding even more. So, this is a buyer's market for sure. There's a lot of uncertainty with the stock market. We don't know what's going to go on, but I dollar cost average every Monday. I buy dips. I know it's not good to always buy dips, but who cares? If they're down, I'm buying. I mean, people are buying SCHD like crazy. People are buying Realty Income like crazy. So who cares? So this is what I'm going to do, is dollar cost average. Getting that passive income from TSLY and NVDY isn't always reliable, but hey, $400 or so a month is not bad at all to throw in my dividend portfolio. I earned a total of $9,045 in dividends. Market gains way down. I'm not too worried that'll go back up. It comes down to discipline with buying dividend stocks. So that's going to happen. So especially when things are going on like right now. So let me show you my recent buys. I'll even show you my dividends. So on the 18th, I went over TSLY's passive income and NVDY's passive income. So I wanted to show you guys that. And then the 19th, I put money in. 20th, I got Bank OZK, I got $14.64. And then on the 23rd, I bought Hormel Foods, $514 worth. I'll go over how many shares I have. Then I got $548 in dividends with McCormick. And I just said, hey, I'm going to throw another $200 in. Guess what? I got Hormel Foods right now. It's at a discount. And then I received a dividend from Blackstone Secured Lending Fund, $10.22. And guess what I said? And the 26th, I said I'm going to buy some dividend stock. So I threw in 205. I got Hormel Foods, again, 181.90. National Storage Affiliates, I got 187. And CubeSmart, I got 21.69. Then I decided to throw more money in. So I threw $160 in today. I got 40.87 with Hormel Foods, 50.09 with Citizens Financial Group. That got me 2 shares, which is not bad. CubeSmart, that got me about, let's just say half a share. Then Fifth Third Bancorp, that got me 0.57 shares. Then National Storage Affiliates Trust, that got me 133. So I'm going to jump to how many shares I got so far in Hormel Foods, the progress on that, as well as CubeSmart and NSA. I want to go over how many shares I have with them right now. So right now with Hormel Foods, I have a total of 29.88 shares. So getting up there, and they've been taking a hit. My value is at $938.17. So I've been loading up, putting that money away, buying them, hopefully going to receive dividends, reinvesting the dividends. I really like this purchase. I feel very strong about it, and I plan on being long in them. I really like their business model and their strategy. So I'm going to jump to CubeSmart and NSA. I've been taking a beating with CubeSmart, but that's fine. They're going to be down. REITs are down. I like it. I'm at 41.48 shares. Imagine if I get to 200, what I can do with CubeSmart. And again, TSLY, NVDY's passive income, it's helping me, as well as myself dollar cost averaging. It's going to get to the point maybe at the end of the year where I have to put maybe 300 or 200 a week, start focusing on student loans. I mean, student loans, I think I'm at like 15,000. That's nothing. I want to get that out of the way. It's a headache. It's just, I'm paying what, 300 something a month. It's just a headache. So I just want to get it out of the way. Now we're going to jump to NSA. That's known as National Storage Affiliates Trust. I'm at 49 shares. So they've taken a beating. They've been down 28.99%. That's a lot. But again, the real estate sector and financial sector I've been going after. So I'll show you the stock price of NSA right now. And it's kind of surprising, but again, this is my focus. This is the sectors I'm going after. And it probably will dip even more, but that's fine. I'm just going to buy more and just leave them alone. It could blow up in my face, but again, this is what I'm doing. It's weird because on E-Trade, I wasn't even trying to chase the S&P 500 in the past 3 years. I've been beating them. So just by buying dividend stocks that are hurt in certain sectors, I've actually done well against the S&P, and I'm not even trying. But let's jump to NSA real quick. And look at National Storage Affiliates Trust. In the past 5 years, they've been taking a beating. They were beating the S&P 500. 2022 at one point, or what is it, 2021, they were 69.20. And they were at 33.44. They were beating the S&P 500. So they've taken a big nosedive. Year to date, they're down 19.30%. Past year, they're down 33.55%. So year to date, they've been down. Past year, they've been down 6 months. Ouch, 26.33%. But I want to go over the revenue. So quarterly, so let's just do June 2022. All right, we'll leave that blank. September 2022, it was up 36.97% revenue. December 2022, 20.32%. March 2023, it was up 11.13%. In June, it was up 8.22%. So it was up, which is good. Annual revenue, I mean, I'm looking at the trends right now. 2018, it was up 38.9%. 2019 was up 16.22%. Up 2020, it was up 12.94%. 2021, it was up 36.64%. In 2022, it was 36.95%. I don't know why, looking at this quarterly statement in June 2022, it was not even showing up. That's kind of weird, but whatever. The revenue's fine. From what I've seen as well, the FFO seems okay. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but the FFO has been pretty consistent. And the revenue is jumping up, and 90% of what they make go back to investors. The real estate investment trust, that's the rule of a real estate investment trust, or they get in big trouble. You have to claim you're a REIT. You have to follow the rules of a REIT, or you get penalized. So I wanted to go over them. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you on Monday. I will be half awake. Again, working 4 out of 5 shifts is a lot. I wanted to be a little conservative and just don't want to overdo it and just be like crazy because I have to meal prep. I got to do all this stuff. I mean, you don't feel like you have a break. So you take care and have a great Friday. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this in any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. These are dividend stocks that I buy. Again, you have to do your due diligence. This is my dividend investing journey. And it is always best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor or somebody to give financial advice. I'm not certified to give financial advice. So that's one thing that you have to be aware of. And again, investing is a big risk. You can lose money. I just showed you that I lost some money right now. So you can gain money, you can lose money. So that's a big risk when it comes to investing. So just be aware of that. And again, you guys have been fantastic on this channel. You guys have a great Friday.